Alright, just going to quickly run through how to tell if your vehicle has a variable voltage or smart alternator and what to do if it does. So this is a new Mitsubishi Pajero Sport and it has a variable voltage or smart alternator, and we can tell by this module here. So we're going to see this on other vehicles too, like the BT50, Ford Ranger. There's quite a few out there that do have a variable voltage alternator, and this is an easy way to tell, this little module that's connected to the negative terminal. So what it does is it monitors all current going out of this terminal. So the reason we need to know that is we need to be aware that when we connect our dual battery kits or any electrical devices to the terminals, we're okay on the positive. We can connect our positive terminal straight to the positive nut there, but we can't connect our negative here. It has to be past that sensor, so on what we call the body side of the terminal and not the battery side of the sensor. So for instance, if we did connect our earth there, this sensor wouldn't be able to monitor all the current going to our dual battery system, and it will confuse the electronics in the vehicle. So we need to put our earth somewhere on this cable. So there's a 10mm nut down there on the cable, which I'll just see if I can bring that closer so you can see. Straight down there. So we could go there because it's past this sensor, it's on the earth, or anywhere on the body basically that we can get an earth. We could place our earth for the dual battery system. So there's a few nuts around here, but it's very important. On the Ranger, for instance, there is a nut here and there's another nut right past the sensor, so we could conveniently just put it straight onto that nut. So there you go, just a little warning about working on vehicles with variable voltage alternators and how we can overcome that issue.